What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode on the MCC Body Shop channel. Thank you for watching this video. Like I always says, like, comment, share it, and obviously subscribe to the channel for more videos to come. Today we're going to be working on a family van, the Toyota Sienna, and I'm going to show you something that for you I would recommend be one of the first mod you should do if you had a Sienna, or if you want to have one, the 2021. This, you should do it like right away, because I'm gonna show you in a little bit what is going on. But let's go ahead and let me open the doors over here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me flip the camera. So I went ahead and bought this floor mats from Amazon. I'm gonna let the link below, either on the description and on the comments, so you guys can go and check it out. They're super cheap compared to other floor mats. They're like 150, and this is like a hard rubber. They're custom made for your car, so if you have another car you can also get them. But they're a brand called TOUGHPRO. TOUGHPRO made this, and man, I'm loving this thing, and I'm gonna tell you why. The factory floor mats on this 2021 Toyota Sienna are young. This thing, horrible. I hate them since the first day. I'm gonna show you why. You see, this thing is super dirty, and it's almost like a microfiber style floor mat, so it catch any type of debris, dirt, hair, flush, anything is gonna be trapped over here. And to clean this out is super hard. Like, you have to like scrub it, vacuum it, and it never look 100% clean. It always got dirt stuck on it. So this thing's Toyota, you guys make a horrible thing with this floor mats. They're horrible. I hate them. This is like, I really love this van, but that's one of the things that I really hate on it. I hate that part, because I would have to like spend hours vacuuming, blowing it out with my air compressor, and it was horrible. So I went ahead. I want to get the car diamond ones, the diamond floor mats, but for some reason contact the company that made the one for my Highlander before I had the Sienna, and they couldn't get the blueprints to like custom make this ones for the 2021 Sienna. So I'll just keep searching, and I finally found this one on Amazon. The guys, they did an amazing job. I ordered, I think it was like a Sunday night. Next day the guy called me from the company. He was like, hey, we just want to make sure we got the right size and stuff. So you got the 2021 Sienna? I was like, yes. And then they were asking me if I had the Sienna with the cooler's console in the middle or without it, and if it was a 7-passenger or 8-passenger. So I went ahead. Obviously I got the XSE model, so it's a 7-passenger, and it'll have the cooler on the middle console. So that was it. The guy was said, thank you, appreciate for your answers. We're gonna cut them, make them fit perfect, and then we're gonna send it. And not obviously, but as soon as I hang up the phone, man, I feel like I got a good customer service. So other than that, it was pretty fast. I guess like it took like 4 days after they called me to have them ship over here. I installed them, and this thing are amazing. So obviously I'm gonna clean it today. So I was gonna like, let me just do a video so I can show people how actually this thing works. So this is actually how my van looks. We got the potty training for my oldest daughter, and if you can see, obviously it got dirt, sand, it got pieces of like french fries and stuff from the girls eating on it. Obviously we going in and out of it, so it's dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you how easy this thing is. Watch this. I got a handheld battery Makita vacuum. And this is all I do. And that's it. Obviously the little stains and stuff, you grab like a little rag with water and soap, and that's it. But let me show you again. Let me see if I can get a better angle. You can see out here all the dirt. Obviously I'm trying to do something quick, so but you can see how easy it is to clean this floor mats out. And man, I'm loving these things. Let me go do a little test on the front. And there we go. It's clean. So if you are willing to have a 2021 Sienna, or you already had a van, or any other car that you might probably have hard times vacuum your floor mats or your carpet, this is a good investment. This thing is going to protect your factory carpets out from your car, and it's going to protect it not either just for the dirt, the sand, debris, but also it's waterproof. So obviously if you had a van, you probably have family and you had kids, so this is a good investment, because if they kind of like throw some juices, water, milk, whatever, obviously if they do it on the floor mats, it's going to be hard to take that out. Probably going to stain it out. It's going to take value out of your car. With this thing, if they got water, any type of liquid, if you spill something on the floor and it's on top of the floor mats, you're good to go. You grab a rag, grab a paper towel, clean it out, and that's it. You're good to go. Other thing, let me just show you how perfect cuts this thing have. It's like perfect, like almost like 100%. It covers the angles and the edges of the carpet, like 99.9% of it is perfect cutting. It covered the factory carpet. Like, I'm gonna lift it up over here. It's so perfect, I barely can get, but you can see it covered like almost perfect. It's like super clean down there. So obviously it's gonna protect your factory carpet out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a quick one just to let you know how this thing works. Obviously this is our new Journey minivan, family van car. It's not expensive, but it's not cheap. I paid $45,000 for this van, so I want to keep it clean. I want to keep it with the value on top. I don't want to lose value on it or nothing. So we're trying to, you know, clean it as clean as possible we can. Trying to keep it that way, and that's it. It's a quick video, so hopefully you guys like it, you guys enjoy it. Like I said, I'm gonna find out the link for the 2021 Sienna floor mat, the TOUGHPRO, the SAC ones I got. I'm gonna put it down either on the description or the comments box, and see you on the next one. I think next video I either gonna do the ambient lights in the interior, or the underglow lights. Before you go, let me show you real quick. This is like a sneak peek from the next video. So I already ordered these things. I'm gonna do an unboxing anyways, but I have these ones are the ambient lights from the interior. So it have this little boxes that goes underneath the dash, on the passenger and on the driver's side, and also underneath the passenger and driver seats to like light up the floor. But not also that, it also have 5 more cables options over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5. And this is with this fiber optic, and you can just basically with this plastic tracer, you can just trace it wherever you want, on the door panels, on the dashboard, on the middle console. I mean, it's up to you. You just use your creativity, and you're gonna have some nice lighting at night. So that's this one, which is the interior light. And then we got this one over here from Goof, or whatever you say that word. The RBG ones. And this is the underglow one. This one connects with Bluetooth on your cell phone, so you can change modes, color. I think this one also have the music. Yeah, they have right here. Music mode, adjust brightness, and then that's obviously the app, so you can control it. So I'm gonna install this one also. Just okay. So obviously I'm been so busy at work. I haven't done any type of work on it, but I don't want to take you much time. Like I always says, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking the video. Comment. Let me know your thoughts on this. Let me know what would you like us to do on a van or another car. Like it or dislike it. If you don't like the video, dislike it. There's nothing wrong with that. You know, I'm not here to impress everybody. I'm trying to here to share my journey and share the things I do to my cars and the stuff we do. So subscribe, like, comment, share it. See you in the next one. God bless. Thank you.